To remove trophies from your PS5 profile? Maybe you want a clean slate or to hide certain gaming achievements. Here's a fast guide on how to do it. Remember, deleting trophies is permanent, so be sure before you proceed. There's no way to restore them. As of November 2025, there are two main methods: directly on your PS5 console or through the PlayStation website app. Method 1 is directly on your PS5 console. Open the Trophy app, select the game, press Options, and choose Delete Trophy Collection. Method 2 uses the PlayStation website or app. Log in, go to Trophy Collection, and select specific trophies to delete. Key takeaways: deletions are permanent and irreversible. Use this feature for privacy or starting fresh. Always back up with screenshots before deleting. For example, you might want to hide trophies from family members sharing your console. Now let's break down the step-by-step methods for deleting trophies on your PS5. We'll cover both the console method and the website approach, with examples to make it clear. First, on your PS5 console, start by opening the Trophy app from your home screen. Then select Trophy Collection to see your games. Highlight the game you want to remove trophies for. Press the Options button on your controller, choose Delete Trophy Collection, and confirm. This removes all trophies for that game, as shown in this example screen. For more control, use the PlayStation website or app. Log into your PSN account, navigate to Trophy Collection under your profile. Select the game, click the trash icon next to individual trophies, or select multiple for bulk deletion, then confirm. This method gives you granular control over what to remove, as you can see in this app interface example. Remember these key takeaways. Deletions are permanent and irreversible. Make sure your PS5 stays online for changes to sync. If you accidentally delete everything, contact Sony support right away. And the website method gives you more precise control over individual trophies.